viewers, welcome to my today's class about part of speech. Okay, today's I will talk about part of speech. There are eight types of part of speech. Number one, noun. Number two, pronoun. Number three, verb. Number four, adjective. Number five, adverb. Number six, preposition. Number seven, conjunction, and number eight, interjunction. Again, let's talk about one by one of this part of speech. Number A, noun. A noun is a word that names something such as a person, place, things, or ideas. Once again, I repeat, a noun is a word that names something such as a person, place, things, or ideas. Example, John. John is the name of a person, so John is a noun. Germany, Argentina, India, Meghalaya, that is a name of place. That also is a noun. Thing like knife, uh, bed, pillow, blanket, that also is a thing. So that is a noun. In a sentence, noun play the role of subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement, object complement, appositive, and adjective. Okay, for example, in a sentence, India is a big country. So that word India is a noun, and the whole words in that sentence talk about that word's India. So that word India, the words of noun is a subject to the whole sentence. Okay, so there are many type of noun. There are five type of noun. Number one, common noun. A common noun is a noun that refers to people or things in general. A common noun, from the word itself, you can understand that it is in common. Example, boy. There are many boy. The word boy is a common word for every boy. Country. The word country is a general word for every country. Bridge, city, birth, day, happiness, etc. Number two, proper noun. A proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place, or thing. A proper noun is a noun that identifies is a name that identifies a particular person, place, or thing. Example, Stephen, Africa, London. Stephen is the name of a particular person. Is not a name of a group of person. Okay, Africa is the name of a particular country. London is the name of particular place. Monday is the name of a particular day. So that is a proper noun. In written English, proper noun begins with capital letters because proper noun stand for an identification of a particular place, things, or person. Number three, concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun which refers to people and to things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or taste. Example like dog. Dog is an animal we can touch, we can see. It does exist physically. Building, coffee, tree, rain, beach, tune. We can see, we can touch, we can feel it. Okay, that is a concrete noun. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun which refer to ideas, qualities, and conditions, things that cannot be seen or touched, and things which have no physical reality. Okay, an abstract noun is that noun which refer to the qualities, ideas, and conditions. Okay, like truth. Truth is a name to some ideas. Danger also is a name to some ideas. Happiness also is a name to some condition. Okay, to some condition we can it does not exist physically. Truth also does not exist physically. Danger also does not exist physically. It is an ideas, it is a condition, it is a qualities. Number 5, collective noun. Collective noun refer to a group of people or things. From the word itself, we can understand, we can know that it is in a collective. Okay. Example: audience. Audience is a collective of people. There are many people. The collection of people. It is known as audience. The word audience stands for collection of people. Family, the collection of people in that particular family. Government, team, jury. In American English, most collective nouns are treated as singular with singular verb. The whole family was at the table. Okay, with this, I wind up my class today. I will talk about the next part of speech in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.